Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the first part of the new chapter that is called the constructions. So let us see something like before starting the exercise directly, let us see, all of you must be aware of this ruler. So here still like those who don't know, this is this is inch. From here to here this is an inch, and from here to here this is centimeter, and the smaller divisions in between this, they are called the millimeter. So you can start, actually the scale is, the one starts from here, so this is centimeter, and in between the smaller divisions they are called the millimeter. So this is something about the ruler. Now you can see there are the tools whatever I use. This is called the compass, this is called the protractor, this is also a set square, and this is also a set square. But this is because can you see this is a long one? So this will be 30, 60, 90 degree set square, and this one will be 45, 45, 90 degree. So these both are called the set square. So now let us see some of the key points in it. So now let us see the difference between this one, the line and line segment, and a ray. So or this one, simple line means, see when we draw this and we put the arrows, that means it is extended. This can go to, and from here also, like it's till infinity. So this arrow is shown over here. So suppose we take A and B. So we say that is an infinite set of points extended infinitely in both directions. From here also we can extend it, and here also infinitely means it can go beyond. There is no particular point here. So it has no endpoints. It goes on. It has no endpoints for a line. And what do you mean by line segment? See here. Can you see there are arrows over here? That means it goes on. And here it has, what did they say? It says finite portion of a line. It has two distinct endpoints, means it will be fixed. Suppose I say 5 centimeter means this is going to be 5 itself. It is not going to extend. Hope you got about the line and the line segment. Then comes the ray. So in line, there are both the side there is an arrow. On this one, on the one side there is arrow. So this point is fixed. And what does this say? A ray is a part of a line having one fixed point. That is, this is the one fixed point, and the other point does not have an end. So these will be fixed, and this will go on. The other point is going to go on. So these are the three terms whatever we have seen over here. Now we'll start with the exercise. So the construction of it, what did it say? That construct a line segment of length that is 5.8 centimeter using a ruler and a compass. So we have seen the ruler and the compass. So these are the steps of construction, step 1, step 2. So first thing, what are we going to do for this one? We are going to draw a line L. So this is the line what I have drawn, that is L. That will be what I'm here, it is given 5.8 centimeter, but whenever we draw a line, we will draw more than 5.8 centimeter, and we are going to mark this point A on it. Then what will we do? Put the needle of the compass. You know this compass. So there are two, one, this is for the pencil one, and the other one is just a point. So what are you going to do? Put the needle of the compass on the zero mark of the ruler. So this is the ruler, this is the zero mark. So you are going to put a compass over here and open it to measure the length that you are going to take from here to here, whatever it is. That will be 5.8. Your one point will be here, and the other will be, the pencil point is going to be here somewhere. That is the 5.8 centimeter. So without changing the setting of the compass, so once you take that 5.8 centimeter, this one, once you take this distance as 5.8, so we are not going to change the setting of it, and put the needle of the compass at point A. So that one needle you are going to put this one. The second is going to be, suppose this is 5.8. So one needle you are going to put it here, and the pencil one you are going to put it over here. Put the one needle of the compass at point A and draw an arc. So can you see here? One point you will put here, the other this one, and you will draw an arc. This is called an arc. To cut length at point B. So this is going to cut, this will be 5.8. So What does this say? That AB is the required line segment. That is what they asked, using a ruler, and you have to draw a line segment of length 5.8. So you will look at again the steps, and accordingly you will draw it in your book. Now they said the given AB of length, this means that is called the segment of length 4.7 centimeter, and CD, this is the segment CD that is of length. You know the segment means it is fixed. So we write this one as this for segment, where this is the short form of it. Of length 2.8 centimeter, construct PQ such that length of PQ is equal to the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. So here again, what are we going to do? We are going to draw a line and take a point P on it. So can you see here? We will draw a line and we will take a point P on it. So now construct PR such that PR is equal to length of AB, that is 4.7 centimeter. So this PR is, this is 4.7 centimeter. So now then cut off RQ is equal to length of CD, that is 2.8 centimeter. So now can you see this CD is 2.8. So what did they say? Construct PR such that PR is equal to length of AB. This PR, whatever that is, length of AB. AB is 4. This is given, AB is 4.7 centimeter. So now what are you going to do? Then cut off RQ is equal to length of, this is CD is 2. This one, RQ. RQ means this one. This will be 2.1. See, first thing we are going to take AB as 4.7 centimeter. Then what are we going to do? We are going to cut out RQ, that is the length of CD is 2.8. So from this one, we are going to cut this one. So the length of PQ, so this one will be nothing but, it is going to be this whole part, that is same as, this will be 4.7, right? Because AB is 4.7. So minus that will be length of CD, that is 2.8. So this is going to be, I'll do it again, this will be 4.7 and this is going to be 2.8, right? It is the same as CD and this is the same as AB. Hope you got this one. The given PQ of length 6.5 centimeter and RS of length 1.8 centimeter, construct XY such that length of XY is equal to the sum of lengths of PQ and RS. So you will draw first thing, they are given 6.5 and 1.8. So you will draw a line XM. This is the line. This is, you are going to draw an array, and the array means here there will be a fixed point and here there will be an arrow. So you are going to draw an XM array longer than combined lengths of PQ and RS. So what did they say here? PQ is 6.5 and RS is 1.7. When you combine these two, that will be 6.5 and 1.8. That is going to be 8.3. So it should be longer than 8.3. Hope you got this one. So now using compasses, measure PQ and draw an arc N on the arc. So now this is XN, same as this one. So you will take PQ. What is PQ given as 6.5? So you will take with the help of your compass, the measurement should be 6.5. So one end of that pointed one, you are going to keep it over here. And the other end, whatever is here, you are going to, that will be, this distance is going to be 6.5. Okay, and you are going to cut this with an arc. Draw an arc N and you are going to mark it as N, such that XN is equal to PQ. That is what we have seen, that is 6.5. So now again the next step says that again using compasses, measure RS and draw an arc O such that NO is equal to RS in the direction of N. So here what did they say? RS is 1.8. So now what are you going to do? RS, you will take that 1.8 and draw an O such that NO is RS in the direction of M. So here this is the direction of M. So length of XO, so this one, this is going to be equal to the sum of the lengths of PQ and RS. So XO is the, we can also call this as X. Instead of this one, we can also call this as See here, we can draw another one over here, and we can also call as this as XO. Okay, because we are combining this and this one, so we can call this as XO. So XO is equal to the sum of lengths of PQ and RS. So we are adding PQ and RS. Okay, so this will be 6.5 and this will be 1.8. So you can see at the steps, and accordingly you are going to draw it. So the steps are given, the steps of constructions are given, and accordingly you can draw it in your book. So the next question says that draw a line segment of length equal to that of the given line segment. So now this is given. So what you are going to do, you will draw a line L, mark a point A on point L. So can you see here, you are going to draw a line L and you are going to mark a point on this one A, and without changing compass setting, place the compass at A. So you are going to place the compass at A, and then what will you do? Mark an arc on the line L which cuts line at B. Now AB is a copy of CD. So here, whatever you take the measurement from here, same will be the AB will be, you are going to put it over here, that will be a copy of CD. So draw a line segment CD of any length, and then fix the compass end on C and pencil on D, and this gives the line of C. So same thing, whatever you are going to take the measurement over here, you are going to put it over here and then just mark it as CD. So by this we have completed today's questions, and so the next one we will do in the next video. And please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more.